going to the store.
So, which one would it be? There, or there? So that, why is it B?
Because they are going.
Exactly.
I learned this last week.
So there is they are going to the store, so the answer is B. Very good. When you're stuck, here's a test strategy tip. When you're stuck, eliminate wrong answers first. Look for the keywords: math, total, reading, main idea. Check if your answer actually matches the question. Okay, so when you're eliminating stuff, see if your answer matches the question. So those are just some tips on testing. Do you have any questions? Okay.
Like still, she shouldn't like be telling people, cause that's weird.
So that's kind of causing drama as well, right? And control, trying to decide who you can talk to or spend time with, like we talked about, right? Like, you're my friend, you can't be anyone else's friend. If a friendship regularly makes you feel anxious, small, or exhausted, that's a warning sign. So have you ever had any friendships where you have felt like, after you talk to them, you're just so drained or you're exhausted? Yeah.
You guys didn't feel that way?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
Everything's looking at them.
Like not again, bro. Like you keep yapping about this girl, like we don't
Or
care.
pulling you into the drama, so that, you know, making you a part of their drama. Okay, so understanding boundaries, which, you know, we've been talking about now, since last week. So boundaries are limits that protect your emotional well-being. They help people understand what you are comfortable with and how you expect to be treated. So I think it's also hard too sometimes, you know, speaking up for yourself and being like, you know what, I'm really uncomfortable when you do this, or could you please stop doing that? So, you know, it's finding that courage within ourselves to be able to be strong and stand up for ourselves and